crochet circle tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a perfect flat circle using only double crocheted stitches. This pattern is simple, beginner-friendly, and can be used as the base for coasters, bags, hats, rugs, toys, and many other crochet projects. So, grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's get started. We'll begin by making a slip knot. Hold your yarn comfortably and create a slip knot on your hook. Make sure it is snug but not too tight, so the hook can move easily through the loop. Now, crochet chain stitches. Count carefully, 1, 3, and 4. Once you've finished the 4 chains, insert your hook into the very first chain you made. Yarn over and pull through both loops to make a slip stitch. This joins the chains together and forms a small ring, which will be the center of our crochet circle. To begin the first round, make 2 chain stitches. Remember, these 2 chains are only used to give the stitches the correct height. They do not count as a double crochet stitch in this pattern. Now work 10 double crochet stitches into the center of the ring. Insert your hook into the center, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and through 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Continue until you have a total of 10 double crochet stitches inside the ring. Once all 10 stitches are complete, insert your hook into the first double crochet of the round and make a slip stitch to join. Your first round is now finished with exactly 10 double crochet stitches. Let's move on to round 2. Start by making 2 chain stitches. Again, these chains are only for height and are not counted as a stitch. This round is very simple. Work 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch around. Since you started with 10 stitches and you're placing 2 stitches into each one, you'll end this round with 20 double crochet stitches. When you reach the end, join the last stitch to the first double crochet using a slip stitch. Take a moment to admire your work. Your circle should still be flat and evenly shaped. Now it's time for round 3. Begin with 2 chain stitches. Remember, these chains are not included in your stitch count. This round follows an increase pattern. Crochet 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet. This increase keeps the circle flat while making it larger. By the time you complete the round, you'll have 30 double crochet stitches. Finish the round by joining to the first double crochet with a slip stitch. Let's continue with round 4. Make 2 chain stitches to start the round. Once again, they are only used for height and do not count as a stitch. This time, crochet 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch, then 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern around the entire circle. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. As you continue, you'll notice your circle growing larger while staying nice and flat. At the end of the round, you'll have 40 double crochet stitches. Join the last stitch to the first double crochet with a slip stitch. If you'd like to make your circle even larger, simply continue the same pattern. In the next round, make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. In the round after that, make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Continue increasing the number of single double crochet stitches by 1 in every new round. This method creates a smooth, flat circle that's perfect for many different crochet projects. Once you've reached the size you want, it's time to finish your work. Make 1 chain stitch, cut the yarn leaving a small tail, and pull the yarn completely through the loop to secure it. Finally, weave in the remaining yarn end using a yarn needle or carefully trim it if appropriate for your project. And that's it! You've successfully completed a beautiful crochet circle using a simple increase pattern. With a little practice, you'll be able to create circles of any size for countless crochet designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you'd like to see more easy crochet tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next